In this lecture, we will learn the different type of pad in Catia. Select the surface, sketch and draw a circle. Exit workbench. Now you can see that the circle is drawn on the surface we have selected. Select pad feature. We want to make the part up to the surface. For that, select up to next option. Now you can see that the part is extended up to the next surface. Now select up to the last option. Now you can see that the part is extend up to the last surface. Now draw another circle. Select pad. This time select up to the surface option. Now select the surface up to which you want to extend this part. Select this surface. Now you can see that the part is extend up to the selected surface. So this was a different type of pad feature in Catia.